friends, I'm Bridgette, an educator with the Glazer Children's Museum. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season and that your new year is off to a fantastic start. For many people, a new year means new beginnings, and some people even set goals to achieve in the new year. Have you set any goals for 2021? A goal is something you want to achieve. It can be a short-term goal, like reading a book every week, or it can be a long-term goal, like learning to run a 5K. Your short-term goals can even help you be successful in reaching your long-term goals. There are some things you should think about when setting goals. Be specific. What do you want to achieve? What is the purpose of your goal? Is it important to you? If we have a goal that's important to us, we are more likely to achieve it. Can you achieve the goal on your own, or do you need help from others? And finally, give yourself a time limit. When do you want to achieve your goal? How long will it take you? One way I stay focused on my goals is to visualize myself reaching that goal. I also make a vision board to keep me inspired. Vision boards are really fun and easy to make. They are also great ways to share our goals with others and tell about our interests. And you only need a few materials to get started. I'll show you how. For this project, you will need scissors, paper or poster board, some glue, markers, crayons, and then some pictures. I got my pictures from magazines. And because my goal for 2021 is to live healthier, I chose images that remind me to eat well and exercise often. I even used pictures of people that inspire me and words to help keep me focused. And now I'm ready to stay focused and reach my goals in the new year. You did a great job on setting a goal and making a vision board to help you stay focused on reaching it. Thanks for joining me today. If you're looking for more fun activities, join us at GCM at home. Have a great year.